Welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another video. Today my topic is you can see Hitachi brand top loader 22 kg washing machine. It's having problem while spinning time, making huge noise. Also machine going here and there. This is model wise SFP-220ZFV. This model. This machine actually the washing performance okay, but while spinning time machine goes unbalanced, also getting stopped, also making huge noise. Now I'm going to repair this machine, and also I will show you how to repair this one, and we will go to the next step. I'm going to show you the problem with this machine. You can see here, this is top of the lid, here lid assemble, top of the lid only control panel, here everything we have to control panel with the lid assemble. It is look like very beautiful machine. Now I already given power connection. This is all touch buttons, touch selections. Now I'm going to select direct spin cycle. It will show 6 minutes, but while after starting it will come here 8 minutes. Now I will start the machine. You can see here it is 8 minutes showing. Now I will show you the problem. After that we will go to the next step, that's mean repairing process. Now we have to wait for a while. After that machine will get start. Now you can see, dear friends, machine starting. It is processing for the spin cycle. Drain pump also start, pump also working. Now only showing, that means you can hear the noise there. This is the problem with this machine. Now drum is empty because of that rotating like that, but with the fabric it's not rotating. This machine going unbalanced, also getting stopped, also making loud noise. You can hear the noise. This is the problem with this machine. Now I will open the lid again. Still door lock. Now we can open the door. Now I will show you the problem here. This is the pulsator. You can see the pulsator. Now you can see the drum here. This is drum hub already broken. This is the problem with this machine. Now we have to remove the pulsator. After that we can recognize, we can identify 100% what is the problem exactly. This is the problem. Anyway, now we will remove the pulsator. After that I will show you. Now I will remove here this lock. You can see here, this is 17 number socket we have to use. Yes, it came actually, it's loose. Now we can take it out. Here it will come like that. Yes dear, I remove already pulsator. You can see here. Yes dear, you can see the problem now. This one actually, this nut already got loose. This one loose already. After tight, it will be okay. This is actually came loose, because of that it's happening like that. Nothing to worry. Our problem resolve immediately. Now we will tight this one. You can see, dear friends, it is 42 number actually, but I am using 5 inch. I can tie it properly. We have to tie it properly, otherwise this will get loose again because of that. Now, dear friends, you can see, because of this nut got loose, because of that only is drum moving. Now after tight, it's not here and there going, and also it is stable. Now we will give the power connection before fixing false stator. After that we can understand. I can show you also. Now actually this is the problem, but I thought it is problem with the drum hub or something, but anyway, customer also lucky, nothing to worry about that. After tightening gear clutch nut, it will be okay. Now we will check with the power again. Now I already given power connection. Also I will select again as before, only the spin cycle direct spin, and I will start. Now we can check. Still motor not start. Now only start motor. Now it's not making abnormal noise from the tub or drum. Now it is stable, not moving here and there. Drain pump already start. Now you can see, dear friends, it's not bubbling. This machine is running well. Now I have to fix pulsator. After that my job will be complete. Now again I will shut down the machine. Also I will fix the pulsator. Now it's okay, machine is working well. Now I'm going to fix pulsator. Okay, now we have to fix this washer also. After that we can fix nut. we have to tie it properly, that nut also. Now it's okay. Now finally we have to close the cap, pulsator cup. Now we have to fix pulsator cup here. Now it's okay. Now we will check again. Now you can see, dear friends, it is stable. It's not moving here and there. You can see. Now we will give the power connection again. We will start as same before, direct spin cycle. I will give the power. Also direct spin cycle. And we will start machine. Now machine will get start. Yes dear, you can see. Now it's proper balance tub. Yes dear friends, you can see machine is running well without any problem. Now my job already completed. Simply I resolve the problem because the clutch nut already got defect. That's mean it's get loose. Because of that tub came up. Also while spinning time it's making unbalance. Because of that only making abnormal noise. Also machine here and there at the same time getting stopped because of the unbalance. Now machine is running well without any problem. You can see. Now my job already completed. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very soon.